Well, hello. Today we're going to show you how to remove the probe from the Murdoch fitting inside your Spotless water unit. The first thing you'll do, quite likely, is remove this meter from the system, pull the harness out, and when you pull the harness out, you'll notice it reads ERR or error. That's perfectly normal. In case you were ever to break one of these wires in the harness, that's what it'll read. It'll let you know that you've got a broken harness. This will be oriented in the black housing unit underneath the steel plate, and while this can be done with the unit installed, it is easier to remove the black housing so that you have free access to this collar. So the way to do it is you have to depress this collar right here against this fitting in order to remove this probe. And when you have a set of needle nose pliers, it's relatively simple to just push the collar down and the probe slides off, falls off the edge of the bench, and never to be seen again. No, actually, what happens is there's four grippers inside there that will refuse to let go of this unless you depress this white collar towards the top of the fitting. And when reinserting your probe tip, ensure that and this notch is pointed up, and that's so these prongs are oriented at the 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock position. If you orient them parallel to the water flow, it will not properly read your water quality. So insert and make sure that's up. It can rotate once it's installed. If you wish to attempt to pull this out still attached to the cart, you can still do so with some needle nose pliers by pushing down on that collar and having the probe remove from the death grip of the Murdoch. Once inserted, you'll notice it won't insert all the way because there's a collar inside this fitting that keeps it from going all the way in. And then when you reattach, air goes away. For our newer units, we have a single digit reading of 0. The legacy units have 3 zeros for their value. And that's all there is to it.
Hated, used to get angry, now it's gone. Now it's so easy.